Another day, another video. Dang. Another day, another video, bro. I got a car meet to go to this morning. I'm back at my second home. You know, if you got a scat pack, you already know what I'm talking about, where I'm at. Gas pump. We're gonna put some gas in the car. Meet up with my boy Russ. Man, it's still early, bro. Meet up with my boy Russ. And that shit's dirty, bro. I still ain't washed my car since I got the new tires put on. Actually went and burned them some yesterday. You can see all the rubber that's up under the car. She's still dirty. I need to wash it bad, bro. Look at these tires. They look bone dry. It's ugly. I just ain't had no time, bro. I ain't had no time to wash them. But we're gonna get this gas. Meet up with Russ because he probably waiting on me. Go from there. Ain't no cars here yet, but I think they're gonna slowly but surely pull up. If it's a dub, we got something special coming on after this, so I ain't really worried about this meet being a hit. You said that? Grandma like move out the way. She from South Dakota. What's she doing all the way down here? No. See, if they had those wheels on my car, I wouldn't have took them out. But I ain't had those wheels.
Oh yeah, you had like Kato's, right? The game baby set up.
Run the RC. Yeah, I brought my Xbox.
What, man? Oh, what, man? Shaker.
I guess he had.
This is clean, bruh. This is clean. If I had an SS, this is exactly what I would want. Drop top. These wheels are disgusting, bro. Oh my god. It's a clean color too. I don't like the interior. I think they flopped on the interior, but I wouldn't mind it too though. Like this. For sure. Miss out on all those. I think there's some more over there. But I might go get this R8. That's crazy.
Crazy.
That's crazy.
Oh. Got the big engine in this thing.
That's crazy. I wouldn't mind one.
That shit's crazy. You got the rotors on that thing. You see how the
Crazy,
rotor,
yeah.
they
That's smooth for a day. That shit is tag, boy.
Zero to a
100 real quick.
If I had something, I'd put it like that, but I'm gonna go 0 to 40.
It's mad windy, bro. Y'all see these leaves, bro? Hopefully that quality of the wind ain't messing up everything. Was that a car? Which one was that?
He was whistling.
Daddy, let me get a key. That man said he got reserved parking, boy.
Oh yeah, I'm handicapped. Y'all see that?
I don't want to hit none of that.
I ain't put the sticker up there. I need to go ahead and do it for the police.
Let me buy it.
Huh?
Let me buy it.
By what? The sticker?
Yeah. Just go get it on your tag.
They wouldn't give it to me. They was like, nah, you good. They say as long as your mobility is there.
Yeah,
I said,
yeah,
but I
yeah.
can't carry groceries no more than 15 miles. Shit, nah, you young enough. You don't know about it. So I said, yeah, you young enough. Working on that. That's all. He doesn't like it.
Yeah, like this Saturday, that's supposed to be good.
You have a car?
Yeah, one of his cars is actually laying on the hood of my. We'll give you a car.
Appreciate it.
Is that an answer? Oh. Those Ferratas? Yeah.
That's the one that's on the blue one. The chrome lip.
Let's get some more footage before we leave.
I got him posted out.
Why my coat irritate don't look like that, bro? Why my junk my box ugly?
What you be doing?
Don't say hello to
She ain't go for a nap right here.
That's clean.
Girl, the trip.
You gonna take it on what? Just let her be her.
She said it stay off the club.
I don't know. That man said they better clock in. But nah, we at the racing spot again. I don't know if I'm gonna put this with the car meet video, if it's gonna be a whole separate video. But we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. We got 11 cars that might run. Hey, let me get in the sun. 11 cars that might run. So I'm about to run y'all these cars, see what we got going on. I'm not running, bro. There's a cop sitting up the street. There's workers actually working in the building, so I'm gonna just chill. But let me show you these cars real quick. 5, 7 right here. Y'all seen this one at the scene we just left from? We got Russ 1320. I think that's like a RS or something. It might not be running. We got Knockout right here. That's clean.
With all motor, no, I'm about to run. I'm about to put a supercharger on my shit.
He ain't got no supercharger in this shit though.
All motor work. All motor work.
That's the one that raced Russ last time. It's another 5.7 with the spikes. He ain't gonna show up.
Hey, he don't show up, it's gonna be bad for him. It's gonna be bad for him.
SRT, an older body. I like that paint color on the calipers too. I should have got one of these, bro. I like that. I like that. Sound good too. Sound real good, but we're gonna see what they talking about though, cause like I said, there's a cop sitting up the street. All he gotta do is radio, and it's a wrap. So we're gonna see what they talking about, bro. Like I said, I'm not running. Cancel that. And these workers actually working over here. Oh, that's SRT Benton right there. Yeah. He said it's just an X fight. What y'all think gonna be? 5.7 or 6.2 liters? He been talking big boy stuff, boy, I tell you. We about to see what's up though. All right, so we getting ready right now.
You down there? That's all you need.
Hey, all right, so ready?
That's tough. That's tough.
They put on